Welcome to our video on 5 essential English idioms for daily life. Today, we'll learn some common idioms, their meanings and how to use them in everyday conversations. Our first idiom is break a leg. It means good luck. For example, you're going to do great on your job interview. Break a leg. Next, we have call it a day. This means to stop what you're doing and go home. For instance, I'm exhausted. Let's call it a day and finish the project tomorrow. Our third idiom is cost an arm and a leg. This phrase is often used to describe something that is extremely expensive, almost to the point of being unaffordable. It means that the price of the item is so high that it feels like you would have to give up something very valuable to afford it. For example, I love that new designer handbag. It's stylish, elegant, and would be a great addition to my collection. However, when I checked the price tag, I realized it costs an arm and a leg. It's way beyond my budget, making it a luxury I can only dream of owning. The fourth idiom we're going to explore today is bite off more than you can chew. This idiom is quite visual and easy to understand. Imagine trying to eat a sandwich that's way too big for your mouth. It means taking on more responsibility or tasks than you can realistically manage. In a work setting, this could look like accepting multiple projects at once, thinking you can handle them all. For instance, I think I've bitten off more than I can chew with this new project. I thought I could manage it, but now I'm feeling overwhelmed and stressed. It's a lot of work. This idiom serves as a reminder to be realistic about our limits and to not overcommit ourselves. It's important to know when to say no and to prioritize our tasks effectively. Finally, we have beat around the bush. This means to avoid talking directly or clearly about something. For example, stop beating around the bush and tell me what's really going on. To summarize, we've learned 5 essential idioms that can add color and flair to your conversations. These idioms are break a leg, which is a way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance or big event. Then we have call it a day, which means to stop working on something, usually because you're tired or it's late. Next, there's cost an arm and a leg, used to describe something extremely expensive, something that might make you think twice before buying. Another useful idiom is bite off more than you can chew, which means taking on a task that's too big to handle comfortably. And finally, beat around the bush, which is used when someone is avoiding the main topic or not getting to the point. Practice using these idioms in your daily conversations to make them more engaging and expressive. They can help you communicate more effectively and add a touch of personality to your speech. Thanks for joining us and happy chatting.